Alright, in this video, we're going to learn how to create a sidechain. I will be demonstrating one or two different concepts of sidechaining. I'd like to give a shout out to Justin, who inquired to see a video on sidechaining. So here's a few concepts that I pretty much put together for Justin to check out in this YouTube video. Again, sidechaining is a way to be able to control or to do unique things with triggering another device based off of an input signal. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create an aux track. A mono aux track should be totally fine. And within this aux track, I'm going to look for a plugin named Signal Generator. It should be in others. No, it's definitely in. Nope, it's definitely in others. I just can't see. No glasses on today, guys. All right, there it is. Signal Generator. Now, automatically, it's going to pop up a 1K tone. Let's throw some white noise in there. All right, this is going to be pink noise. Here's white noise. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this Michael Jackson effect that was done on his record back in the day. Just beat it. Every other snare had like a white noise snare in there. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how they applied the chain on there. But what we need is a compressor on the same channel. Alright, actually not a compressor. We're going to need a gate. That's what we're going to need, because we want the sound to open and close at a particular time. So what we're going to do is add a gate onto the track. Once we have the gate on the track, this track right now unmuted is past the signal, which is the white noise, and it's kind of annoying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the key input and choose whatever bus is here, which is 14. That's the key input for the bus. Now I'm going to also hit the button for sidechain. That's the sidechain input, which is the bus, which I selected bus 14. And this is the sidechain button to allow me to sidechain a device. Just letting you know that the audio is passing through. I'm going to raise up the range, which is like the level at which the gate is closed. And you're going to hear audio. I'll raise it right back down. So now, this is not enough to create an effective sidechain. I have to actually select the track I want to sidechain to. So I got a couple of snares here, and I'm going to use one of the simplest snares. And I think I found it. Yeah, I found it. Let me get rid of these two. Alright, here we go. So remember, my key input was bus 14. So I'm going to choose bus 14. Now remember, when you select it, if you don't have a preference set up to where your faders go automatically to 0, you got to option click on the fader so that the fader goes automatically to 0. Now as the signal is passing the threshold, the gate is opening up, which I'm the one that's in control. I set the threshold at which the gate will open up. I set the hold time for how long the gate will stay open, and I will set the release time for how fast the gate will close. Alright, now the attack time, something a little different, but I'm just going to adjust these. I'm just going to adjust this release time a little bit so you can get an idea of what you could do with the triggered gate on another channel. Now these are all tools that we use in our mixes to help us achieve certain goals. This one I raised up the attack all the way up. What you're going to hear is faint sounds of the audio passing through, because the attack time is so slow that the audio doesn't pass. So we're going to speed it up a little bit so we can get the initial transient hitting on the input of this gate. And I'm going to adjust some parameters a little bit so you guys can again listen and hear exactly what I'm hearing. Alright, so let's mute this. Let's make this inactive. Let's do a different concept now. I'm going to keep the same send. I'm just going to probably move it to another channel. I'm going to just move this over here, get this out the way. And let's choose what we want to use. I think drum and bass would be cool. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to take the send and I'm going to drag it right over where the kick is, because I'm going to make my kick, or I'm going to allow my kick to trigger the compressor that will be on the sub. Now again, when this compressor is on, all I got to do is choose my key input, which is going to be bus 14. And as you can see, watching the meters on the compressor and the meters on the track that I have the compressor on, both meters are showing gain reduction right when the kick signal is hitting. So even when the kick signal is doing a double pump or a double kick, you can see the reduction also follows suit. You can use this for a couple situations. You can use this to help bring out the kick if the subs are too overpowering. You can compress the subs right when the kick hits so that the kick have a more dramatic feel or effect. Again, there's no right or wrong way. Don't ask me to give you the exact number of values, ratio, thresholds, because it's all subjective. It's all going to be different depending on who is listening and who is in control, and all the different attributes that can happen within the audio. All be subjective at that point. Now let's try this with a gate. Now when you got a big 808 or a long 808 sound and you want to tailor the waveform, or should I say the envelope, the gate is perfect for that, because again, you can adjust the gate in a way where every time the kick hits, the gate opens and closes a different or unique way to allow a sound to pass through or to be stopped in its tracks. Alright, hope you guys got it. And that's it. Side chaining. Everyone, please like, share, comment in the comment section, and if you haven't already, subscribe. If you would like to support our channel, you can open up the description box below this video. You can click on the link and you can shop at our online merch store. I appreciate all the viewers and the subscribers to our channel. And this is Shamel Hughes signing off. AuditoryLife.
When you think of doing something creative, think HMG.